Hello there, and welcome to the unbelievable. This lucrative kitten escapes her cage to play with her puppy friend. A bear from Seattle shows us his catching skills.
That was my bad. You ready? Come on.
What's an effective way to avoid being eaten by a predator? Play dead, of course. This video shows the casual understanding of water displacement by a crow. Suda is an extremely talented elephant from Thailand.
Hey guys. Είχατε ένα ντοκιμαντέρ κάπου που έδειχνε ότι είναι η μόνη
This raven absolutely nails mimicking this woman's voice.
Hello. Hi.
Hello.
Hi. 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 Hi.
An ex-captive orangutan in the wilds of Borneo steals a fisherman's canoe from the dock.
Oh, she's the trap, whatever they added there. You're kidding.
No, she could go right on downstream.
Highly territorial alligators growl at bystanders to warn them off.
Wait till I say three. You wait till I say three, okay? 1, 2, 2.5, 4, 6, 3. Good girl.
An octopus is recorded opening a peanut butter jar with fish in it.
Oh, he's got it. He's got it. He's opening the jar up.
The octopus was extremely disappointed when he realized the fish had eaten all the peanut butter. A very clever bird using bait to catch fish.
The fish come to it.
What's he been up to? Hanging out with girls on the beach? Oh, touching snakes, that's always dangerous. That's when you guys almost first met, huh?
A smart and protective dog barking at cars to keep them away from the crossing. Corgi beats his owner at noughts and crosses. This chimpanzee is filmed memorizing numbers in just seconds. Here is a baby duck feeding some fish.
A briga com caranguejo tá feia aqui, viu? Deixando me agredir. Só troca de mão, mas não solta a faca.
This bear saves a drowning crow.
Você se lembra, viu?
A man sets up an obstacle course with some food at the end of it. This squirrel does incredibly well.
Like squirrels of Hertfordshire. Oh my goodness. He is going to tightrope robot. How does he do that? He's avoided the trellis. You cheeky little squirrel. The cargo net. Is he going to go up the cargo net? Yes, he is. He's there. He's on! You sneaky squirrel.
An unbelievable elephant paints a self-portrait with his trunk. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time on The Unbelievable.